You try to sit upright and focused. Just minutes later, you find yourself in a different posture. It feels more comfortable in a moment, but over time, your back pays the price. What if a chair supported your natural posture, keeping you comfortable and healthy for hours? Within the next days, we'll try the LiberNovo Omni office chair in detail. First, let's set up the chair. You'll get multiple pieces, accessories, and a huge step-by-step setup manual. With just 8 steps, we should be able to set up the chair. It's actually super easy. Most things are like plug and play. Only some parts need additional screws. And then there was this USB-C cable and a battery. Seems like we got some cool features to test. In just 20 to 30 minutes, the chair was ready. The whole seat and arm module came like this. It's already built and we just have to place it on top here. That was easy. Before I'll show you the chair, let's unbox the packages. I got like 4 more packages. I have no idea what's inside. Actually, I do have an idea. This comes with a chair. That means something. Take a guess what it is. Write a comment. What is this? Obviously, it's a nap blanket. In case you want to sleep on the chair, lean back, there's this blanket. And it must be huge. Look at the layers. I hope I won't get too comfortable here in the office. What's next? This. Don't tell me these are socks. Oh, okay. So there would have been gloves for setting up the chair, and they were right next to the screws and everything, the tools, but I didn't open them. I thought these are socks like it. Okay, next one. What is it? No idea. Oh, is that? Okay, first, this. So this is a mat for the floor. Let's have a look at this. Again, take a guess. What is this? This is a beautiful shopping bag. It matches my outfit. Look at this. Nice. I actually have to go shopping later. It's so funny. I didn't even notice where this is coming from. It probably fell out of the package. Dude, what the hell? What else would I need, right? So this is another headrest. Why? I mean, it feels even softer. No, this one is pretty soft as well. We have to figure out what's the difference. As expected, we got another card because we have to build something. But these are just 8 steps, just as much as the chair. Crazy, right? But it should be faster. So this is for the foot. It's a footrest. Let's just set it up real quick. All right, are you ready for the first sitting test? Is it the best chair I ever sat in? Probably yes, but it's about the long-term usage. Over the next few days, we will test all the features in detail and if they are actually worth it. So it moves with me. Okay, it's just the first time sitting here, so let's go into the details, into all the features of this chair. It's been a week and I'm ready to give you my honest impression of this chair. Let's first talk about the so-called Bionic FlexFit backrest. Every spine has its own S-shape. No 2 backs are the same, and that's exactly where a lot of so-called ergonomic chairs fail. They're built around one fixed curve and expect your body to adapt to it. The Omni does the opposite. The Bionic FlexFit backrest, that's the name, uses a motorized system that adjusts in real time. So, as you sit down, shift your weight or stretch a bit, the backrest gently reshapes itself to your spine. When you sit properly, you'll notice that your lower back is fully supported right away. There are no gaps, nothing pushing in the wrong place. Your waist feels supported, your spine stays aligned, and your neck naturally stays in a neutral position instead of drifting forward. Even the head and neck rest is so adjustable, but we'll talk about that in detail just in a second. What I really like is that this support for your whole body doesn't disappear once you start moving. When you lean slightly forward to work or lean back to think, the backrest keeps the natural S-curve instead of letting your posture collapse. Your elbows stay in a relaxed position on the armrest and your shoulders don't tense up. And if you're using the footrest, your calves are supported without changing how you sit. You're not constantly thinking about sitting correctly or adjusting anything. The chair adapts to you, not the other way around. What really sets the Omni apart is how the whole chair works as one connected system instead of a bunch of separate adjustments. The seat backrest, headrest and armrests are linked through LiberNovo's SynchroLink mechanism, so they move together rather than fighting each other. And the key thing here is that the support doesn't stop when you move. The system keeps your posture supported even while you're shifting, leaning or swaying in the chair. So when you lean forward to work or lean back to think, your back stays supported. Your head stays aligned and your arms stay level with the desk. You can actually see the armrests moving with you instead of staying behind. That's what makes it super effortless. You're free to move naturally and the chair just keeps up. Now we have 4 recline modes. First is the 105-degree deep focus mode. It's slightly reclined compared to sitting fully upright, reducing muscle pressure while keeping you alert and engaged. Perfect for meetings, emails, or really focused work. At 120 degree, we have the so-called solo work or creative mode. And actually that's my favorite one, because this angle is ideal for longer work sessions or moments where you need to think more creatively. Your body stays supported while your posture naturally relaxes. Now 135 degrees, I hope you still can see me, is the long session comfort. So this is where many traditional chairs stop. But what matters here is that even at this angle, your lower back, neck and arms stay fully supported without needing to readjust anything. Last but not least, the 160 degrees spine flow mode. With the footrest properly supporting your calves, your body reaches full recline and decompression. So this mode is designed for rest, recovery and resetting your body after long hours at a desk. So we've got 4 different modes that will support you throughout the day. We've got the blanket, which we can use when actually using that 160 degrees angle with the footrest, and it's just super comfortable. After hours at a desk, your body naturally wants to stretch. You lean back, move around a bit, maybe stand up just to release some tension. The Omni supports you even with that. With the so-called OmniStretch Massage mode, the chair gently lifts and releases your lower back, creating a soft stretch. And it's inspired by decompression techniques, but it feels way more subtle and relaxing than those aggressive massage chairs. So you recline back, activate the mode, and the movement is slow and controlled. It just takes pressure off your lower back and helps everything reset. It's not meant to replace stretching or movement or a real massage, but it's a really nice way to recover during the day. And once it's done, you sit back up feeling lighter and more relaxed instead of stiff. One thing that I also expected is how good the materials feel for a chair like this. Everything you actually touch, the seat, the backrest, the armrest, everything feels thought through. The seat is breathable and supportive at the same time, and the armrests are soft without feeling cheap or flimsy. Nothing squeaks, nothing flexes in a weird way. It all feels solid, but still comfortable for long sessions. This might sound weird, but the first thing it reminded me of wasn't another office chair. It felt more like sitting on a really good mattress. So, super supportive and comfortable without being soft in the wrong way. Because this headrest, this neck rest, it's so soft. If you lay back in the 160-degree recline mode, it feels like a pillow. And when you sit, it also feels comfortable, but not too comfortable so that you would sleep. It's just supporting your neck in a really nice way. Now this chair is especially for you and you can find the link in the description, when you're editing, designing, coding, gaming, or working from home with long sessions, like many hours a day, and you care about staying comfortable and healthy long term. Then this chair makes totally sense, especially if you've tried ergonomic chairs before and still ended up tired and with some back pain at the end of the day. What do you think about this chair? Let me know down in the comments. I'm super happy to have it here and to use it daily in my daily workflow with long editing sessions, long coding sessions as well. We're currently working on an app for Create Beyond, so you can just offload your courses, watch them during long flights, or just when you're in a train or traveling, you can continue to watch all the filmmaking courses, drone courses. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to follow and leave a like. Happy editing.